Dogecoin cost really equivalent to $0.0832 a coin, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.0818 0.0839 in a very significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0823, or so they sort of thought. The change generally was plus 0.0009, plus 1.09%, which is very critical. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, which is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $0.079, kind of greatest 0.085, really least 0.073, which is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.073, most extreme 0.078, genuinely least 0.068, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.071, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.076, essentially least 0.066 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.082, truly greatest 0.088, sort of least 0.076. Pretty further appearance how the change in every way that really matters was plus 0.0009, plus 1.09% in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.082, sort of most extreme 0.088, sort of least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.079, truly most extreme 0.085, especially least 0.073, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.084, greatest 0.090, essentially least 0.078, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.087, essentially greatest 0.093, genuinely least 0.081 amazingly. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.085, certainly greatest 0.091, exceptionally least 0.079, or so they thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $0.087, truly most extreme 0.093, in every practical sense, least 0.081, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.088, fundamentally greatest 0.094, essentially least 0.082 in an extremely huge way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.086, exceptionally most extreme 0.092, in every practical sense, least 0.080, which truly shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.082, genuinely greatest 0.088, kind of least 0.076 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.086, genuinely greatest 0.092, genuinely least 0.080, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.085, kind of most extreme 0.091, lovely least 0.079, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.082, especially most extreme 0.088, certainly least 0.076, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $0.086, really most extreme 0.092, truly least 0.080, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.083, lovely greatest 0.089, really least 0.077, showing that truly backwards rate, USD to Doge, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.089, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.095, truly least 0.083. Genuinely further appearance how the change especially was plus 0.0009, plus 1.09% in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.085, beautiful most extreme 0.091, essentially least 0.079 in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $0.087, most certainly greatest $0.093, genuinely least $0.081, in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.083, kind of most extreme $0.089, kind of least $0.077 in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.087, especially greatest $0.093, genuinely least $0.081, showing how Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $0.087, in every practical sense, greatest $0.093, essentially least $0.081, which for the most part is genuinely critical. USD to Doge swapping scale kind of equivalent to 12.0163 coins per $1 in a really significant manner. Today, S reach 119218122205. The past day, S nearby 12.1536 in a kind of large way. Change for now 0.1373, 1.13% in an unobtrusive way. USD to Doge cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which truly is very huge. $1 to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 10, cost 12.658 coins, genuinely greatest 13.699, essentially least 11.765 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 13.699 coins, sort of greatest 14.706, beautiful least 12.821. $1 to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 14.085 coins, really greatest 15.152, kind of least 13.158, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 12.195 coins, certainly greatest 13.158, most certainly least 11.364, showing how Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.086, really greatest 0.092, beautiful least 0.080, which generally shows that Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.082, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.088, exceptionally least 0.076, or so they thought. $1 to Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 12.195 coins, fundamentally most extreme 13.158, sort of least 11.364, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to Doge forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 12.658 coins, genuinely greatest 13.699, truly least 11.765, or so they generally thought. $1 to Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 11.905 coins, greatest 12.821, for the most part least 11.111 in a significant manner. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, April 19,